Morning 5th grade, this is Fact and Opinion Day 2. So yesterday we looked at a poster of two worlds of the ancient world. Two wonders of the ancient world. It was the pyramid and the lighthouse. And I made connections with those pictures to my own life and to other texts that I have read about the pyramids and about the lighthouse. But we can also do this with other texts. We can take things we learn from texts and make connections to our lives, the world, or other texts that we have read. I'll show you how to do this. It's coming up. But let's review our learning targets. You will identify facts and opinions in a passage. You will identify and use signal words for opinions. You will make connections to understand a text. You will use academic sentence frames to discuss strategies. So let's review fact and opinion. A fact is a statement that can be proven true or false. An opinion is a belief that may or may not be based on fact. Signal language includes verbs such as think or believe, and adjectives such as best or worse can help readers recognize opinions. So, I think this is the best, or my mom's spaghetti is the worst. That's an opinion. Recognizing facts and opinions help readers make judgments about whether information is accurate and reliable. So looking for these signal language verbs and adjectives will help when you're doing research and other reading to really question whether what you're reading is true, factual information, or if it's just an opinion of the writer. Let's read this and I will demonstrate how to make connections to life, the world, and other texts when I read it. Disappearing forests. Forests disappear for many reasons. Wildfires burn hundreds of thousands of trees around the world every year. Powerful storms can rip up trees by their roots. People cut down and burn trees to prepare land for farming and ranching, or to make way for new homes and roads. Today, the most rapid deforestation, or loss of forests, takes place in the tropical rainforests. Thousands of square miles of South America's Amazon rainforest is cleared each year for farms, ranches, homes, and roads. Deforestation is dramatically changing the Earth's landscape, and not in a good way. Protecting the world's forests is among the most important environmental challenges of this century. Keeping Earth's forests healthy is everybody's job. So let's go back through and find facts and opinions. Let's reread the first paragraph. Forests disappear for many reasons. Wildfires burn hundreds of thousands of trees around the world every year. Storms can rip up trees by their roots. People cut down and burn trees to prepare land for farming and ranching, or to make way for new homes and roads. So the first paragraph tells that forests disappear for many reasons. It tells that wildfires burn them, storms can destroy them, and people can cut them down. Let's reread the rest of it. Today, the most rapid deforestation, or loss of forests, takes place in tropical rainforests. Thousands of square miles of South America's Amazon rainforest are cleared each year for farms, ranches, homes, and roads. Deforestation is dramatically changing Earth's landscape, and not in a good way. Protecting the world's forests is among the most important environmental challenges of the century. Keeping Earth's forests healthy is everybody's job. So I can also make text-to-world connections as I read the rest of the text. For example, I know that saving trees is important, and I know that many animals and plants live in the forest. Let's think about some questions so we can answer in sentence frames in the next slide. What's one fact from this passage? What's one opinion from this passage? Making connections in text can help me do what? So, one fact from this passage is, one opinion in this passage is, making connections to the text helped me blank. Let's fill out our poster. So, some facts about this passage are that wildfires burn hundreds of thousands of trees around the world every year. Powerful storms can rip up trees by the roots. People cut down and burn trees to prepare for farming, ranching, and making way for new homes and roads. This is all in paragraph 1. We have a bunch of facts that we learned. Let's look at some more facts. The rapid deforestation takes place in tropical rainforests. Thousands of square miles of the Amazon rainforest is cleared each year for farms, ranches, and homes and roads. Second paragraph, tons of more facts. Let's look at the last paragraph. Opinions. Deforestation dramatically changes the Earth's landscapes, and not in a good way. So here we can see not in a good way. That could be her opinion. Maybe people think that it's changing in a good way. We're building new homes and new roads. Okay, so that's an opinion. Protecting the world's forests is among the most important environmental challenges of the century. So this could not necessarily be proven as a fact, so it is an opinion. Other people may think that other environmental challenges are more important. And the last opinion I found was keeping Earth's forest healthy is everybody's job. Not everyone is going to agree on that, so that is an opinion that cannot be proven as a fact. Let's review our learning targets. Did you identify facts and opinions in a passage? Identify and use signal words for opinions. Make connections to understand a text. Use academic sentence frames to discuss strategies.